we're here today to interview Fatimanians and some professionals about the benefits and positive effects of critical thinking in our lives. But wait, first thing first, what is critical thinking? And why do we need to learn the benefits and positive effects it may give to us? Critical thinking is the process of analyzing information, questioning assumptions, and evaluating arguments to make informed decisions. It involves skills such as interpretation, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation of evidence from various sources. Learned critical thinking is essential because it enhances our ability to assess credibility, recognize biases, and engage with diverse perspectives, ultimately leading to better decision-making in both academic and everyday contexts. By fostering critical thinking, we can navigate complex information landscapes and contribute more effectively to discussions and problem solving.
And for the benefits of critical thinking, first, it enhances decision-making. It fosters logical reasoning, allowing individuals to make informed choices based on evidence rather than assumption. Second, effective problem-solving. Critical thinkers can identify underlying issues and generate innovative solutions, improving adaptability. Third, improved communication skills. It enhances the ability to articulate ideas clearly and engage in constructive decisions. And fourth, it increased creativity. It encourages exploration of alternative viewpoints, leading to novel ideas and solutions. And lastly, self-awareness. It promotes reflection on personal beliefs and biases, contributing to personal growth.
So now, let us ask around some simple questions about critical thinking.
So hello guys, I'm here with
I'm Otayami Elvira.
For you, what is critical thinking?
Critical thinking for me is a kind of thinking where we analyze, we question, we evaluate, we make judgment sa kung ano yung nababasa natin, naririnig, or nakikita. So, as far as I remember, ang word na critical is from a Greek word. Ang sabihin nun is criticos. The meaning ng criticos is to be able to make judge.
What's your name and section po?
Good afternoon, I'm Stephanie Ana Antaro and I'm from Medtech Cooper.
Okay. For the first question po, for you, what is critical thinking?
For me, critical thinking is like a skill. Yung skill na yun is created by you and nagagawa mo yun by your everyday problems in life. Imagine dun yung critical thinking skills mo kapag nag-thinking ka na sa mga everyday problems na gawa mo.
Hello po, ano po name nyo? Alexandra Padilla po. Can I ask you some questions po about critical thinking? Yes po. First po, for you, what is critical thinking?
For me po, critical thinking is, ito po yung way na pag-iisip po in a different way. Like, sa pagde-decide po, gagamitin mo siya ng mga outcomes, isipin mo kung ano yung mga possibility na pwedeng kalabasan ng isang bagay bago ka mag-decide.
Hello po, may I ask your name po?
I am Mark Cedric Francisco po.
May I ask you some questions po about critical thinking?
Pwede naman.
For you po, what is critical thinking?
For me, critical thinking is when you think outside the box. Dapat hindi lang subjective but also objectively ka nag-iisip. Hindi lang kasi yun for you but also for the majority of people around you.
Hi Kuya, what is your name?
I'm Miles Pia.
Can I ask you some questions about critical thinking? For you, what is critical thinking?
For me, I think critical thinking is like something it's about taking a moment to stop and lang. Like, parang siyang, parang bine-breakdown mo yung entire situation or problem sa harap mo and then parang tinitingnan mo yung bawat part para makagawa ka ng tamang decision para sa problem para sa akin.
For me, critical thinking is analyzing the problem, information before we solve it or act.
Second po, what advice would you give to someone who wants to improve their critical thinking skills?
I suggest to look around you, tapos read more. Kasi by doing that, you will consider other people kung hindi lang yung nararamdaman nila.
For me po, siguro, huwag agad-agad magde-decide para walang regrets. And ayun, parang mag-iisip ka ng not only once or twice. Pag-isipan mo ng marami. Isipin mo nga yung mga possible outcomes if it's positive or negative.
If lalo na pag may mga big life decisions, I think try to bite your tongue. I mean, hindi siya sa literal na sense, like before na maging impulsive yung pag-decision mo, try mo lang na i-weigh kung ano yung mga positive, negatives, or yung maging possible challenges or problems na makukuha mo sa mga decisions mo sa buhay. You know?
Yung pag-gather ng reliable information tsaka yung problem-solving skills. Sa pag-gather naman ng reliable information, kasi di ba pag gumagawa tayo ng research, kailangan natin na yung resources natin is trusted and well-biased. Pagdating na sa problem-solving, improve nun yung sa pagsaset natin ng goals.
The advice that I would give siguro is to analyze first what you are gonna be solving, and then analyze what you're gonna be reading. Kasi pag naintindihan mo na siya, doon mo ma-apply talaga yung critical thinking skills mo.
Can you share an example of how critical thinking has helped you solve a problem or make a better decision?
When I'm trying to pick a course or program for myself, talagang ginamit ako ng critical thinking skills, which inisip ko kung bagay ba talaga sa akin to, like ano yung magiging benefits sa akin if pinili ko yung course na to, and parang parang iniisip ko kagad yung end goal mo, if magiging masaya ka dito or magiging successful ka sa buhay, or if ito talaga yung magiging passion mo. Yun lang.
Example nun is sa research, di ba, when we do research, we analyze, kailangan natin ng mga example ng solution, then doon natin na-execute yung final stage, yung final solution natin para ma-ikupa natin yung
Sunday, hangouts with friends po namin, and church day po. I have to decide po na kung ano yung pipiliin ko gano'n. Kasi syempre gusto mo pong hangouts with friends. Kasi minsan lang din. Pero ayun po, still pinili ko pa rin yung mag-serve kay Lord since I know na ito yung tama. Parang inisip ko, may susunod pa naman po gano'n. Parang okay, mas okay kong gawin.
There was one time that people wronged me, tapos I chose silence kesa yung revenge, gano'n. So, ayun, because sa critical thinking, ginamit ko yung critical thinking na may benefit ba to, gano'n. So, since wala naman, pwedeng ako din yung masaya, hinayaan ko na lang.
Based on my experience, sa school talaga nangyayari yung mga ganyan critical thinking, and yung experience ko na yan is siguro sa mga test or exams. Kung hindi mo alam yung mga sagot, and then you will be analyzing the questions, and then kukuha ka ng mga keywords doon, tapos doon mo malalaman kung ano yung tamang sagot, and it would help you to get the correct answer by critically thinking.
Fourth po, do you think critical thinking improves your ability to handle challenges or conflicts in life? Can you explain how?
Yes po, because kasi pagka bigla-bigla ka lang mag-desisyon, parang pwedeng maging pangit yung resulta. Mas marami yung possibility na negative results kasi hindi mo siya pinag-isipan talaga ng malalim. Ganun din.
Okay, as a hospitality industry, kailangan talaga natin yung mga critical thinking for, halimbawa, for customer. Kailangan natin tingnan yung point of view nila sa mga certain i-explain nila para mayan din natin ang tama yung mga complaint ng mga customer.
Siguro sa developing critical thinking, na-enhance yung mga conflict, na-promote yung personal growth, tsaka ma-improve natin yung relationship natin with other people.
Yes, talagang makaka-improve ng quality of life and kakaroon ka ng better thinking, better life decisions and parang success with na-improve yung critical thinking skills. Dahil sa critical thinking, talagang inaano nito. How do I put it? Like, talagang hindi ka talaga i-betray na ito to have something to pagdating sa critical thinking skills, mayroon kasi siyang analyzing, synthesizing, and talagang ine-evaluate mo yung decisions mo. At dahil dito sa tatlong components na to, parang binibigyan ka ng time and parang ito yung naging silbi parang ito yung nagiging guide mo para magkaroon talaga ng good decisions in life.
Yes, kasi kagaya nga nung kanina yung sa may question na nauna, hindi pwede kasing pwedeng yung kunwari lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, tapos pag hindi ka nag-isip ng critically, pwedeng mawala lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Kaya dapat lahat ng decision mo, tapos kailangan mo gawin sa buhay, pinag-iisipan mo muna.
Sa industry of hospitality, kailangan talaga natin na critical thinking kasi maraming pwedeng dahilan yung problema. Kailangan natin tignan yung point of view ng customer natin sa pananaw nila para makasolusyonan natin tama yung mga kailangan.
Okay, last question. In your opinion, what are the long-term benefits of developing strong critical thinking skills? Yung importance kasi ng strong critical thinking is, di ba, in a word that prevalent yung fake news. So, kailangan natin mag-do ng research para malaman natin if tama ba yung information kasi may misinformation and mga fake news na natas. Okay, thank you!
The long-term benefits po is pwede mo po siyang ma-i-apply sa ibang tao and in your future children po. And also, syempre po, no regrets pagka gumagamit ka po ng critical thinking, lalo na pag alam mong positive yung magiging outcome.
Sa akin, kailangan siya sa trabaho para to be more professional sa trabaho natin para yung hindi na maulit yung mga nangyaring problema or like hindi siya ma-repeat para sa next customer mai-adjust na natin yan.
Successful career lang naman and happy decisions in life. And parang less regrets, magkakaroon ka ng less regrets and disappointments sa magiging buhay.
Pag kasi naka-develop ka ng strong critical thinking skills, magagamit mo sa career mo. Yung career natin for life siya, di ba? So, ayun, mas ma-enhance natin kung ano yung pwede natin makuha in the future, then hindi lang sa kung ano yung meron ngayon.
And that's a wrap on our discussion about critical thinking. We hope that this video gave you something to reflect on, whether it's a new perspective or a moment to consider how critical thinking fits into your life.
Yeah, working on the project really reminded us how powerful critical thinking can be. It's not just about solving problems, but about seeing the bigger picture, asking the right questions, and staying open to learning.
Exactly. So as you go through your day, think about how critical thinking overcome challenges or make decisions.
Thanks for watching, and remember, the best thinking happens when we stay curious and open-minded. Take care!
Keep growing, and we'll see you on the next video.